morning everyone. Most welcome to this online class. Myself Mrs. Anjali Sarode. Class 4 subject science and lesson number 4 plant around us. Children, in previous video we already solved exercise A, B and C. And you have to solve this exercise just for practice in your CW book with pen. In textbook you have to solve this with pencil, okay? And today we are going to learn or solve exercise D. So be ready, take out your textbook, exercise D. And the question is, answer the following question in brief. So let's start. Question number 1, okay? What are terrestrial plants? What are terrestrial plants? And the answer, plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Is that clear? So here is your answer. Next, question number 2. How does conical shape helps the plant of hills? हिल्स एरिया में जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनका शेप कोनिकल होता है. किस तरह से वो हेल्प होता है प्लांट्स को, ओके? एंड द आंसर, see the question and answer. The conical shape of this tree does not allow the snow to get deposited on them. इस एरिया में स्नो ज़्यादा होता है विंटर सीजन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई स्नो डिपॉजिट नहीं होना चाहिए. इसलिए नेचर का गिफ्ट है, दिस इज अ गॉड गिफ्ट. So that's why that hill area, the shape of the plants are conical shape. Okay. So question number 3. See here. Name 2 trees growing in hot and wet region. Name 2 trees. 2 trees के नाम बताने हैं जो कि hot and wet region में है. And answer is here. What are they? हॉट और वेट रीजन में कौन कौन सी ट्रीज होती है? यस, टीक, रबर एंड कोकोनट. बट यू हैव टू राइट ओनली 2 आंसर्स, ओके? सो आंसर, ट्रीज लाइक रबर एंड कोकोनट, ओके, आर फाउंड इन हॉट एंड वेट रीजन. दिस इज योर आंसर. नंबर 4. नेम एन अंडर वाटर प्लांट. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लीव्स डज इट हैव? Note down this question, question number 4. And the answer, underwater plant, hydrilla. Yes, hydrilla is an example of a plant and that grows underwater. And उसके leaves कैसे होते हैं? Leaves. It has pointed and strap-like leaves. Now question number 5. Question number 5. What is plowing? Plowing is the process, and answer, plowing is the process of breaking and loosening the soil and making it soft. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Finish it. Check your question and answer. Question number means exercise D. Answer the following question in brief. Question number 1. What are terrestrial plants? And the answer, plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Question number 2. What does the conical shape help the plant of hills? And the answer is, the conical shape of these trees does not allow snow to get deposited on them. So see, I will try to show pictures also. Question number 3. Name 2 trees growing in hot and wet region. And answer, trees like rubber and coconut are found in hot and wet region. Question number 4. Name an underwater plant and what kind of leaves does it have? And the answer, hydrilla is an example of underwater plant, grow in underwater plant. It has pointed and strap-like leaves. And the last question number 5. What is plowing? I am repeating, what is plowing? And the answer, plowing is the process of breaking and loosening the soil and making it soft. So all question and answer you have to write down in your CW with good hand. All exercise number D 1 2 3 4 5 question and answer. Answer you have to mark in your textbook with pencil and write down number also. And second thing, write, once again I am repeating, write down all these question answer in CW with good handwriting, and learn also. And in next video we will solve exercise number E. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.